I've got to come up with the perfect song for the New York Super Bowl on Fox. Spike, you know any good songs about New York?
Where you been? New York, New York, New York State of Mind, Empire State of Mind?
Stop. You're right. It's up to me. Cue the music!
Don't do a musical, please, baby, please, baby, please.
New York is the perfect place for football.
Football.
Greats make it here while some don't last. The Jets put a Tebow cause he couldn't pass.
And Sanchez is taking more shots than A-Rod's shoulder.
No place like New York.
This town made Bill Parcells, The Babe, and LT.
Also, Broadway Joe, Derek Jeter, the Donald.
And Tiki.
Tiki, you're fired.
I don't even work for you.
Ha ha! That's the stuff. New York!
And the whole city's looking forward to the Super Bowl.
From the hipsters down in Williamsburg
Our shirts are ironic.
to the football fans on Old Broadway. Even talk show host we love the most can spell excitement every day.
I'm pretty sure some of that is urine.
Yeah, but it's from all the excitement.
Yes, it gets cold, but it's never too bleak. If you need something hot, check out Rob's Picks of the Week.
Falcons, Niners, Jets, and Giants!
Because New York's where legends refuse to fail, and very few tight ends end up in jail. Atlanta's the Super Bowls in New York. New York.
Hey, genius. The Super Bowl is in New Jersey. For real? I think I would know. All right, everybody back to one. New Jersey is a place for football.
I'm glad they didn't tell us that to the end of the show. We talked about New York so much. Hey, look who was champion last year.
Yes, sir.
Back-to-back titles for Mr. Strahan.
Number one, baby.
All right, let's get to this year's picks. We want to start right away. First game, Falcons and Saints. Rob is taking the Falcons. Jimmy.
I like his pick. I'm going with Atlanta.
This is a hard
Upset.
one. This is a hard one to pick, but I got to go to Atlanta.
I'll go with Atlanta.
Not me, baby. New Orleans.
All right, Rob likes the Niners to whack the pack. Who you taking, Jimmy?
I'm on board. 49ers.
Niners.
Niners at home.
Not me, baby. Green Bay.
You're the contrarian today. Rob's upset special. He's got the Jets to beat the Bucks. Jimmy.
Oh, popular pick. I'm going Cincinnati over Chicago.
You know where I'm going. What city are we in? I'm going New York Giants over the Dallas Cowboys.
I go with Miami.
Minnesota Vikings.
Wild card picks. Rob has the Giants to win in Big D. Jimmy, yours is Minnesota at Detroit.
Minnesota over Detroit.
Michael, Cincinnati at Chicago.
Sorry, Howie. I got to go with Cincinnati.
Howie, Seattle at Carolina.
I'll go with Seattle.
TB at NYJ.
Always TB.
Always go
Always.
with TB. All right,
TB.
guys.
Or not to be.